Hello everyone, welcome back to my reviews for you, and today we're highlighting 7 cool tips and tricks of the Mercedes GLC 300. Cool trick number 1, brake hold. Let's say you are approaching a stop sign, you can press the brake a little harder than normal. You will see hold appear on the dash. You can then remove your foot from the brake and it will stay in place. This is perfect for when you are at a stop sign or in standstill traffic. Cool trick number 2, rain sensing wipers. Once you set the wipers on one of these 2 settings, the wipers will automatically turn on if they sense water or rain. Cool trick number 3, ambient light. You can turn the knob to adjust the brightness of the dashboard. Cool trick number 4, door logo. When dark, the passenger door as well as the driver's door will project the Mercedes symbol. Cool trick number 5, hands-free trunk access. If you have groceries in your hand, you can swipe your foot left or right of the muffler and the trunk will open. You can do the same movement for it to close. Your keys must be on you. Cool trick number 6, remote start. You can download the Mercedes Me app. You can then start your car from anywhere in the world and it will run for 10 minutes. This is nice to have on days when it's too hot or too cold and you want to adjust the temperature before you get in. Cool trick number 7, parking assist. Here, your GLC 300 will parallel park or perpendicular park for you. To activate, you must drive below 10 miles per hour. Once you see an open spot, you can turn left or right indicator. A blue arrow will appear. You can then put the car in reverse and follow the on-screen instructions from there. You will still need to stay active as it will tell you when to put the car in reverse or move forward. Well, that's it guys. I hope you've enjoyed this GLC 300 7 tips and tricks. I try to put out videos at least once per week. So if you've enjoyed this one or you would like to see more videos, please remember to like, subscribe, share, or comment below. Until next time, take care.